Looking at Apple on the monthly chart, you can see how beautiful this hold has been. We pushed higher up to that 260 and then pulled back to 255. Not a lot more has been happening. It's just been a push, pull back a little bit, push, pull back all the way up. So let's look at the weekly. You can see that we have come back and tested this trend line every single week. We did not make it back this past week. We hovered above and kind of just held in that area. You can also notice we've got several green weeks in a row. So we could be due for a red week. We're looking at this 255. That's going to be our level that I'm going to be watching to see if we hold this trend line. If we break below 255, we definitely can see more downside to follow. If we can hold 255, then it will just be, once again, a tap of the trend line before we push higher. Looking at our daily, we're in a little bit of a squeeze here. So we need above this 257 or below 254 to get outside. If we stay within this range this week, it can definitely be choppy. Watching over on the 4 hour, a little bit shorter time frame, we can see that we've been bouncing between these two trend lines in this rising channel. And we definitely still have room between that like 254 to 262. So we could use those as support and resistance and continue just to bounce higher as we have been doing. So watching this week for a hold above 254 for continuation on up. If we break that 254.50, then we could definitely see some more downside to follow.